A very good evening, guys. Welcome back to the channel. This is Dubai Thaman's YouTube channel, and my name is Yeshi. And this video is going to be in English, basically. The reason is because I wanted everyone to watch this video if you can, and my Tamilans who are following my channel, they will understand if this video is going to be in English. All right, now we do understand and we do know what's happening for Sushant's case. Everyone who's Sushant's warriors, Sushant's fans, the guys who are watching out for Sushant, we all know that we are waiting for justice. We are waiting for the right answer. We are waiting for a good news from CBI, from the Supreme Court, once it reaches the Supreme Court. When these things are happening and we all are waiting, we have the other side. We have something else happening behind the scenes, like the SSRians. Now we have two types of SSRians: a group, individual. One side is majority. They are the majority side, which is the SSRian groups, the positive groups, I could say, who are doing a lot of good things. You name it, they are there. I think I've named them. I've named everyone who's sharing positive energy, who's doing things around the clock, who's doing things out of the box, who's not waiting for any donation or foundation or I don't know what nation, but they're just doing the job because they love and they respect Sushant and they miss Sushant, and in that case they want to do something for Sushant. Even I have this idea, basically. Once Sushant gets his justice next year, when this quarantine is done, when you land in India, then I will be going straight to Mumbai in front of his house. I have something to do, and I will surely do that as that's my responsibility, and that's a promise. So you have everyone who are doing the best and who's voicing out from different part of the nation, a different part of the world as well. On the other side, you have another group of SSRians. I'm not going to mention names, but yes, this is my turn to just say something which I feel and I can share my opinion, right? The other side of the SSRians are actually in the name of Sushant. They're just building up whatever they have to build, adding spice and masalas to just get the views and the subs in a high scale, which, okay, I'm okay with that. But I prefer, if you want to get your views in your video or your subscribers basically for your channel, then I think there's a lot of real masala contents where you can share. And let me finish this. I know what you're going to say, but let me finish this so it'll be easy for you guys to understand what I'm going to say. So I wish they change the content, and if they want to hit up the views and subs, there are a lot of contents. I agree, every YouTuber, when he puts a video on YouTube, whether it's a good content, bad content, whatever that content is, you will get monetized. If your channel is monetized, your ads will run. I agree. Now if you see my channel, yeah, I've recently started to I could say, out of 10 years of my journey in YouTube, which is a sad part, but I'm not going to get demotivated with that. I'm proud enough to still hang on, and I will still hang on because that's my dream, and I'll just love doing contents in a positive way. So recently, 4 months back, I could say 3 months, 4 months back, basically, I just started to get paid out of this 10 years of my videos. And you can check my channel. I've started doing videos for the past 6-7 years on a weekly basis, and a lot of content, travel blogs, music mix, and so on. So I'm just not going to promote my channel here, but just saying you the facts. Regarding Sushant, I always say that I don't want this video to be shared, I don't want this video to be subscribed, or I don't want this video, click the like button, or I don't know what. I don't say that. The reason is because that's something which I wanted to do, and that's something which I wanted to voice out, because personally, Sushant is someone very close to me, not only to me, to a lot of SSRians who loves him. Now, in that case, there's so many things happening. I agree. If you're a YouTuber, okay, don't say you don't get paid. You will get paid. But do not ask for donation. Do not ask for, join the club, pay this, and then you will support me, and then you will see me voicing out and shouting out and screaming out for Sushant. That's not going to happen from my side. I'm a common man. I'm a YouTuber basically. I don't talk serious talks, but recently, for the past, it's going to reach 6 months in a few days. Seriously, for the past 6 months, I do a lot of I talk a lot about Sushant's updates. Previously, I talk about the COVID awareness. Before that, I used to do travel vlogs, music mix. That was my channel. Today, my channel is out of the box, and I'm happy that I'm doing something useful, and I brought something new to my channel, which is online streaming, which I do on a weekly basis to bring top social people, celebrities, to talk about the present situation in Tamil Nadu, and basically it's all about Tamilans basically. So I'm happy that I'm into a new reach, but then it doesn't means that I say my subscribers, all right guys, you subscribe to my channel, you're viewing my videos, why don't you click the join button? You have the join button there. Get the highest one, press the highest number, and do support me, and go to my website and share my links, and there's a button there, click on that, and then just enroll, and that's the foundation for Sushant, and that's the I'm saving money and I'm going to do something for Sushant. I don't do that. I really don't do that. Not only me, a lot of YouTubers who voice out for Sushant, they don't do that. They don't do that. Like I said, there are very, very few people in the name of SSRians, in the name of Sushant, they do this. Yesterday, I'm just giving you a short brief of yesterday's video, which I posted about mainly today's video. Yes, today morning's video regarding Varun Kapoor. In his video, in his channel, Ankit and Ganesh came. These guys have been fighting from day one. They've been traveling, they've been doing this, they've been doing that, protesting in public areas. They have gone into big time of pressure. They faced a lot of things. Even then, till yesterday night, they were strong enough. I mean, till yesterday evening, they were strong enough to say that we will still keep fighting for Sushant. But recently, when I heard that yesterday, basically, when in one Kapoor show, and I made that video today regarding that video, Ankit, it seems he's planning to leave this world. In a better words, I don't want to use that word, but in a better words, I use this. That's actually shocking. And if he's going to do this, I mean, if he has this thing in his mind, that means he's been disturbed very badly. And why is he disturbed? Because when you do so much of good things, when you do so much of things where you are just fighting for that person who you love, and at the end, some I don't know what, pops up and says that, you know what, he was involved there. You know what, he was there. You know what, he took money. Come on, guys. This is what is really irritating, and this is what is disturbing, basically. Now, the practical thing is, everyone has this, yeah? And everyone knows who's right, who's wrong. The only thing is, I want to share basically in this video is, like I said, the majority of SSRians, you have names, and you guys know the names I will mention. I will go on and go on and go on. They are huge. Not only in Hindi, you have in Tamil, you have in Telugu, you have in Kannada, you have in English, you have in Chinese, you have in Malay, you have in Sri Lankan. There are a lot of SSRian warriors who, in a positive way, waiting for justice from age, I think, 6 till age, I think, 75 or 80, I could say. Those just want the justice for Sushant. Those are really waiting. When will we get the justice? There are a lot of people messaging me, and a lot of people even messages the other YouTubers saying that, you know what, we cannot sleep. We're just waiting for the justice. We hope we get the justice. And we hope, everything gets back on track. And 2020 is a very bad year. It goes on. On the other side, like I said, these guys don't care. They just go boom, 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 just to get the views. They don't care about the common people who are worried and who loves Sushant, because this type of fake masala news will surely hit them personally. If you guys see anyone who's spreading unwanted news, who's spreading unwanted messages, who's spreading unwanted rumors, simple as that. Stop watching them, or advise them, or tell them on the face that, guy, dude, you are spreading rumors. If you are a Sushant's fan, and if you know the truth, guys, let me make this simple. No one knows what is the present moment about Sushant's case. Everyone knows what happened, basically, but no one knows what's going to happen now. In this period, when everything is going smoothly and we are just waiting for CBI, some Tom, Dick, and Harry pops up and says, you know what? This happened. Why didn't they talk about this, Ankit and Ganesh, before? Why they have to talk right now? You got me what I'm saying? This you should answer yourself. You should question yourself basically. Why didn't they talk about Ankit or Ganesh before? Yes, there were a lot of rumors coming up. You know, these guys are getting money. These guys, come on, guys. If they are fighting for Sushant, if they are watching out for Sushant, if they're doing the groundwork, protesting for Sushant, of course, if people loves them, they will start paying them money. Come on, bro. Take this money. Just keep it for expenses. Rest. Eat good food. Things, basically things like that. And if you see Varun's show yesterday, it was clearly said by one person that we have saved a lot of money to give Ankit, but till now Ankit have never asked us. And it seems some people have also asked Ankit that I want to give you money. He said, please, I don't want money. This guy is genuine, guys. This guy is really true to his brother. All I'm going to say this right now, instead of prolonging this video like a live stream, I just want to make it finally here. It's up to you. It's up to you to believe the right person, whether he's Hindi speaking, Tamil speaking, Telugu speaking, any language. When it comes to Sushant updates, when he says he's an SSRian, you guys have to normally, generally judge him and see if he's doing the right thing, and see if he's sharing the right thing, and see if he's not doing anything behind the scenes. No matter whoever they are, including me, do your research about me. Go ahead. Anyone I've asked money, or I'm just giving an example, or I've asked them to join this click button, or I've asked them to subscribe when I speak about Sushant's updates, or I've asked them to share this. But yes, I think out of 60 videos, I've asked twice or thrice to share this for some important reason. But apart from that, I'm just sharing updates. That's my duty, and that too, I do it for my Tamilans. I don't do it in Hindi. If I do it in Hindi, you guys will understand, okay, my views will go more high because Sushant belongs to the north, and a lot of Hindi people will watch this, but I do it for my Tamilans. The majority of my views are very less. You can check in my videos. I don't get 10,000, 100,000, 50,000 just to spread this information. I hardly get like 5, 10, sometimes 1,000, sometimes. It doesn't matter. Even I've been saying this before. I've been saying, I will say it right now, and I'll say it tomorrow as well. Even if I get 5 views, I'm happy. My message as a Sushant's warrior, since I'm an SSRian, I'm sharing this. Simple as that. Alright, guys. I hope you understand. The reason why, again, I'm speaking this in English, I spoke this in English, is majority of my viewers, mainly for Sushant, they're not only Tamilans, they speak a lot of languages. So I thought, instead of me speaking in Tamil, it's better I speak in English. And if I speak in Hindi, I'm sure this is the last time you're going to watch my movie. I'm sure this is the last time you're going to watch the channel. So it's better I don't spoil that. And yeah, I can speak Hindi, but not that much. But yes. Anyways, guys. Alright, guys. I'm sure this is a late video. This should be posted midnight today. I don't know who's going to watch it and who's not going to watch it. Anyways, I've just done my job, and I just wanted to share this. That's the reason why I'm doing this. I don't care even if it goes viral. It doesn't go viral. It doesn't care. It doesn't bother for me. But I just wanted to share this. But yes, to whomsoever I am trying to share this message to, it will reach. That's my confidence. So guys, thank you so much for watching. I will see you guys tomorrow at 12:30 Indian time with Sushant's updates. Anything comes out, if there's anything interesting, for sure I'll share. But there will be a video at 12:30, and then tomorrow in the evening at 6 o'clock Indian time, there will be someone very special on the live stream with me from Tamil Nadu, a person who shares a lot of motivation. Yeah, motivation. What's that word? Motivation. So I'm really waiting for that moment, for that video, for that stream. Basically, he's going to share a lot of positive energy. Yeah. So yes, guys. Last, I would love to say this. Please, it's a request. Even if you think I'm just bullshitting, or I'm just requesting for money, I'm just doing this for views, or I'm just sharing you and requesting you basically to join the foundation, to find the club, and to sponsor money. And I will do a big protest in Dubai. First of all, we cannot do protest in UAE. That's one thing. Um, Seriously, guys, it's simple. We are not dumb heads. We are not dumb. And I request you guys also to understand this. Whomsoever, I'm saying, I make it very clear. Let's forget everyone. Let's keep now all the SSRians equally. And just think, right now, what you have to think is, let's see which SSRian is truly sharing updates, truly protesting, truly fighting for justice, and let's see which are the SSRians who are just doing it for money, fame, and all that stuff. Now the ball is in your court. Take your time, think whether it's anyone. Go ahead. Think. You have this. Everyone has this. Think. If you're really a Sushant warrior, and if you really want justice for Sushant, and if you really believe Sushant is with God and he's an angel, do this and see. Fight and support the right SSRian. This is all I'm requesting. Nothing else. Alright guys, I think I'm done. Have a beautiful night.